Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to show you how to turn off notifications for some specific apps in your mobile phone. Are you tired of receiving too many notifications on your phone? So if you want to get rid of all these disturbances, let's dive in to see how you are going to turn off these notifications. Now, first of all, you click on settings, tap on settings, gently scroll and locate where you see scroll down and locate where you see notifications. Click on it. Now here you can see app notifications. Locate it and click on it. Now these apps, all these apps you see on like this, they are allowed to send notifications. So if they are disturbing you and you don't want the notifications, you just turn it up. Now for example, let me turn up this one, this one. I may decide to leave this 3. Now I'll just switch off this, and this one too. Also decide to switch off this, or let me just leave it. This one also. Yes, you can leave necessary ones, the ones you think you want to be always be notified. For example, your banks, your messages, they are very important. Don't turn it up. But as for those that, for example, all these apps that they say nonsense, you just have to turn them up. If you are done, so we are done. Now we turn off notifications for all these apps, so we'll not get disturbed by them again. Or sometimes if you want to turn up all the notifications, you don't want to disturb. For example, in the night, if you want to sleep, or if you're in a meeting or you're busy or something else, you wish to turn up all the notifications, you just have to hold this down and see locate where you see do not disturb. So you click on this do not disturb, so it will automatically off all the notifications. You see written here, notification post by do not disturb. So there is no any app that will send you a notification. So this is how to manage your notifications. Thank you for watching. If you like what I do, please subscribe, like and share this video. Please subscribe so that whenever I post a video like this, you'll be able to see it. Thank you for watching.